I've got my Glock.
Hey, this makes one of these.
I freestyle. Yeah, freestyle. And I invite the general boss them. Like, you know how we
What's my man saying, man?
Let me hear something.
Listen,
Why not?
Man on the block. What? I see you up. What? Sniping my Glock.
Oh, hey. I fuck with that. Watch out. I'm say, hey girl, sit down, broke off the tip. Bend over, let me pull off the wig. Big long cock in your belly, make you sick. Come come take a look at in come take a look. She want bad man, Mia make money, can't be proper kid. She have the nigga like, I'm a one piece of it.
See me making money, but the money never make me. Yo, literally take a 3 pints if me. We have a trinity body, and she want suck off the GD girl, I go all over, suppose you mash up your knee. Postcode, so me just a rock and come in, hit the whole note forever. Girl with the bonus, girl with the fat underneath. Let me know now, girl. One man in her hole, yo, fuck so hot, come turn off his stove. So she drive from the body longer than a toll road. Me running a postcode, figure me the low blow. Running a port more, she bank it in her hole. She don't need no soap coat for driving her.
Whoa. Yo. Yeah? I don't tell her.